Hi guys, this is the one, the only expert dating coach, Annabella Rose, back from calmerlifestyles.com. Today I'm going to talk about the texting game. I know you want to know the answers, but of course before we start, click that clickable subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as there's going to be so many more videos coming your way. We are all, including women, it's not just only you, wired in a way that makes us desire what seems to be out of our reach. It's the sole reason why you will always want women who make it difficult for you to get them. This chase means that they are more attracted to you. In the same way, any woman will be turned off by a man who makes it too easy for them. Women want a challenge as well. Therefore, it will always be wise for you to use texting to a woman to chase you by giving her challenges and hints about all your texting and your intentions. Here is how you can do this easily. Number 1, disqualify yourself. Playfully disqualifying yourself from a woman's dating pool makes her perceive you as more of a confident person and less of a needy man. Excluding yourself is simply a joke about how the two of you would never be suitable for each other. You could say something like, "Whoa, you mean you like," and then you state something that you know she likes. "I never knew that you were that kind of girl. I might have to get my granny's permission to kick it with you." You could insert a smiley emoji, they always go down a treat. By pushing away in this very playful manner, you do create this room for her to chase you. Plus, guys, you don't want to look too eager. Remember what I said at the beginning. Aim to get her to chase you, as you will appear more attractive. She will be far more curious to get to know you. Number 2, avoid over-texting and text the girl only as often as she texts you. This is so important, and you should be on the lookout. Too much texting can kill attraction faster than you even thought possible. The general rule of texting is that whoever is putting the most effort in is the one chasing. Therefore, you stand a chance of the girl being interested and chasing you. You just have to refrain from over-texting. Only text the girl as often as she texts you. This will keep your value rather high and make her think that you are not needy. Gents, it is a very attractive trait, and she will engage and want to chase you for being so cool and moving at her pace. Otherwise, she's going to lose the attraction. She's going to feel you're too interested and putting her on a pedestal. This is a total turn-off, so texting only often as she texts you, where is all the magic happens. If a girl never initiates contact and doesn't respond, stop texting her and walk away. You'll feel so much better and will be more confident to know that you can walk away from a girl that you like. So, to get the hint, she's either too busy, no time for dating, or maybe too many options, or she tries to show you are being needy of all the texting. Either way, you must understand that you text her too much. 3, massage her ego. The other way you could use texting is to make your girl feel special. The trick here is to create a girl that you like and ultimately maybe love by massaging her ego. You can do this by openly showing her that she is such a positive impact on your life and that you intend to keep her around for not only your mind but also your life. To make her feel special and wanted, you could tell her something like, "I just saw a really cute couple in the park and it made me think of you." Making her feel special in this way is a surefire way to get her to warm up to you. Massaging her ego also creates persistent feelings that could affect the outcome of texting and will make her think of you. Think about it. What are the texts making you remember other people? They are the texts that make you feel good and not intimidated. Massaging her ego will ignite that intimacy and those feelings and get her more closer to you and showing up for those dates that you decide. Also guys, it's a great way to make her feel safe, so get the hint. Avoid being insecure and insincere. I don't advise insincere comments at all, guys, because it really does ruin your text game. She can tell the difference between the sincere and the insincere. Do not think for a single second that women are stupid, because I am telling you here, we can read so quickly what you're up to. As you can see, texting a girl becomes a little easier when you have your goals clearly outlined in your head. Any of these text methods would really get a woman to fall for you over text message. The bottom line is to keep it fun. Keep it polite, keep it respectful, but playful. Also, don't overthink it, as it's going to end up behaving in a way that doesn't actually reflect who you are and your true self. So gents, sadly that is all from me today. Please check out all of our e-products pages, as we have a number of ebooks displayed, and all of our ebooks will give you the very best strategies to make it in the dating world. So click on the link below or click on the card above. It will take you to the display page, and once the payment is complete on your chosen e-product, you can start reading in a blink. Gents, please, of course, like, share, comment and subscribe. I've been Annabella Rose, and I'll see you next time.